and welcome back to Adaptive Parent Project. Today I wanted to share with you an unboxing of the Tineco Pure One X lightweight, smart, and cordless vacuum. So as a person with a disability who uses a wheelchair, vacuuming is something that's like really challenging. And I have a Roomba, which is super helpful, but having a toddler and a service dog, there's just more crumbs than I feel like the Roomba can handle, especially with our large area rug in the living room. So I wanted to do this unboxing with you guys, and then I'm gonna charge it and I will come back on video and show you how it works. So, I'm actually gonna put it on my lap to open it like this. So, I'll come more into frame like this so you guys can see. And it can have a wall-mounted docking station. It can convert to a hand vac, and it has multiple accessories. Bear with me here, my fine motor skills are being tested. I think I'm up to the challenge. It looks like this. I'm gonna go ahead and take these all out, and then I'll come back to show you guys as I put it together. So I did the unboxing portion of this video a few weeks ago, but I decided before I released the unboxing video that I wanted to spend a little bit of time with this vacuum, getting used to it and figuring out the best ways as a wheelchair user to use it before I uploaded the rest of the video so that you guys could see it all in one. Now this is the Tineco Pure One X, and it is a fantastic vacuum. I don't know where a vacuum has been like this all my life. I've had Dysons, I've had Sharks. I love my Dyson, but my Dyson after 10 years was just getting too old and it was too much. So I got this one to try to make my life easier because we have mostly stone floors, and then we have a large area rug in our living room and an area rug in Nolan's room, as well as an area rug in my room. So some features I really like about this vacuum is that it has, you can either hold it on with the trigger here like this, and then it lights up at the bottom, or if we do a close-up, you can see that there is a switch to be able to hold it on right like this. So you can just go like this and it stays on. And then as you can see, I can just start moving and it will vacuum with me. So I can just hold it between my legs and vacuum, which is fantastic. And I really like the light feature on the top of it. That makes it really easy. So as you can see, I don't even have to hold the vacuum, and I'm able to just wheel myself as normal and vacuum, which is like unheard of. I've never been able to use a vacuum like this. So that's a really great feature. And then it has a ton of accessories, which I'll show in just a little bit. But hang with me, and I'm going to move to carpet to show you what it's like on carpet. Okay everybody, so now we're on carpet, and this carpet in our living room is extremely thick so that no one can play without getting hurt, because our stone floor is extremely hard and he's fallen several times, and so we wanted a large play area for him to be able to play and move around. So honestly, vacuuming on this is quite the same. I just flip the switch that we showed you earlier, and I move back and forth just like this, So I'm able to just go back and forth like this, and vacuum that way. I did, when I initially started vacuuming, I had to like come up with a way, because if you're holding it in your hand like this and the trigger is on like this, it can be really hard to push if it's like not in the right position. So what I do is I push forward without the trigger on if I'm not gonna hold the vacuum in the on position, and then pull back. And then see, when I try to push forward, it's a little bit hard. So if I'm having to do a spot by hand, I'll let go of the trigger, push forward again, and then pull back. And I found that that's the easiest way. Now this is the large brush head attachment for like carpets, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you a bunch of the other attachments that it comes with and how this converts to a hand vac for smaller misses. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys all the attachments that this vacuum comes with. It comes with a ton of attachments, which is super helpful, and it also comes with a filter cleaner for the filter inside of the vacuum. So you just put the other filter in here when it's dirty and connect this to the vacuum and turn it on, and it will clean the filter, and then they give you an extra one for when the other one is dirty, which I think is super awesome. So I will show you, if we do a little bit of a close-up here, how to detach this. So you just press the button like this, and you kind of gotta wiggle it. It sometimes takes a minute. So I'm just pressing the button and I pull that off. So as you can see, now we have this attachment just like this. And then if you want to, I'm gonna set the hand back down for a second. This is the large area brush right here. And then we also have this one that's for smaller area. So I'm not gonna like put on and take off all the attachments because that will take a lot of time. But if you want to disconnect the large one from here, then you can put this one on for smaller area. You also have a hose extension. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this one down. And really to charge it, you're supposed to wall mount the system, and I have the wall mount in my bedroom because I just have it laying on the nightstand table right now because I have not figured out the best place to wall mount it where Nolan won't be able to get into everything because he's always wanting to take everything apart. And with the wall mount attachment, it's really nice because you can put a bunch of the accessories on the wall mount attachment so they're all together. Right now I'm just throwing them under my kitchen sink in a bag. But I will include a photo of what that looks like, even though I haven't done it yet. I'm just going to get like a stock photo of what it looks like. There's this attachment, which I'm going to lay down here. And I will show you so this is the one I use most often for the hand vac with the brush. So I can just attach it right like this and then do messes really easily. This is clean, it's barely been used, so I'm just demonstrating on my table, but you can just pick it up like this. And it's really lightweight. The whole vacuum altogether with the heaviest attachment is like 11 pounds. And this I would probably say is somewhere between maybe 5 and 6 pounds. But as a wheelchair user, it is extremely, extremely helpful. And I'm so glad I got this vacuum because, like I said, I had a Dyson ball before and I really liked it because that was 10 pounds. So I was able to use it pretty well, but I just needed something different this time around. And I tried a Shark, but honestly, that one broke within a month. And that one I was not able to freely wheel myself and vacuum simultaneously like I am with this one. So I definitely wanted to share this with you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have content that you would like to contribute, please send it our way. If there's a topic you're struggling with, please let me know. And if I'm not able to help you myself, I will find somebody in our community that is able to help you. Please support us via Amazon Smile or make a tax-deductible donation via PayPal. Thanks so much for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye-bye.